JetEngine makes it incredibly easy to create and manage custom post types in WordPress. Custom post types are perfect for keeping different types of content organized, each with its own categories and slugs. While they're commonly used for shop products, they're also great for portfolios, projects, hotel listings, and much more. Let's see how to set them up in just a few steps. We are now creating a new custom post type that I'm gonna call Hotel Rooms. And we get already the post type slug. And we add the post. And we have the hotel rooms exactly here under the JetEngine section. If we want to put it somewhere else, we can do it by going to Advanced Settings and choose the menu position. We can put it like here, Dashboard, and we can also choose an icon. I'm gonna use this one. Update the post type, and if we reload this, we're gonna see our hotel rooms exactly here. Here in the support sections, I'm gonna leave the title and the editor because we want to give a title and to write something about the room, but I want to add also the thumbnail featured image and the revisions, because this is really useful if you want to roll back to a previous version of the room. I'm gonna update again the post. Talking about fields, we add a new field, and I'm gonna add some fields that can be useful, like room type, and this is gonna be a select field. We leave it in manual input, and I'm gonna add the options manually here. So a single room and single room here. We can leave it like that. A double room. And we can add a suite. And we have these three types of room. Moving further, we can add a new field. I want to have a room size, and this is going to be a number where the minimum value can be 0, max value, I don't know, we could put a 120, these are the square meters, and the step is going to be 1. These are not mandatory, but to avoid negative numbers, you can put a minimum value of 0. Room max guests. This is also gonna be a number, and of course we are gonna have a 1, and we can say that we don't have more than 6, and we have a 1 here. And then we have the room price. Room price. This is also gonna be a number, and we have a minimum value of 1, because it has to have, or we can put it 0. Max value, we leave it empty, and I'm gonna leave a step value of 1. And we can update the post. So this is the mask for adding a new room. We have a title, the Gutenberg editor, and all our fields. But as you can see, the fields are all one on top of each other. They are organized in a column. I don't think this is a very good thing, so I want to have them all on one row. So I'm gonna go back here, and for each of these, I can change the field width, that is the field width of the interface. So I'm gonna put it on 25%, and I'm gonna close that. 25. Update the post. If we now reload the page, we're gonna have all our fields in one row. In this case, it's very, very comfortable to have them like that. So we can add a title. We call it single room. It's a single room. It has 18 square meters, 1 maximum guest, and we can put in $45 and publish here. Now that we added some rooms, you can see we have the list here, but we have only the name and the published date. It would be nice to have some more informations here on this view. And we can do it by going back to the JetEngine and add some admin columns. We want to have the size, and we have the room size. Have the type here, meta value is room type, guests, price. And in the end, I want to add also the picture. And here we use a custom callback. We can select from here, and we can use this JetEngine custom render image. And we search for the thumbnail, or we can put a custom field here, and I'm gonna put a 50. Apply, update the post. And now we have the rooms with all the informations that we need, but I want the picture to show up in the first place before the title. In order to do that, I'm gonna go back to the post type configuration. I go down to the picture and I'm gonna put column order 1 and update the post. And now, as you can see, I have the picture in the first position, followed by the title, the published date, and all the data that I need. We can also add some filters that could be useful if we have more rooms. Go on admin filters, we can add a filter by type, use name as a placeholder, filter by metadata, and we go by room type, field options, and then I want to have also a filter by guests. Metadata, max guests. And here we select from database. And now we have our filters. We can filter by guests, for instance, and we get all the rooms that has a maximum number of guests of 4. Or we can reset that and say we want to see all the double rooms. And here we go. The point is that with a very few rooms, probably this is not that important, but when you have a lot of rooms or a lot of posts, filtering by some attributes can be pretty useful. We've just set up and configured a custom post type using JetEngine. In the next video, we'll design some basic templates in Elementor to display this post type on the front end. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider leaving a like and a comment. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.